Hello, I am Juan and I am going to talk about my family. That's my family, my mother, my aunt, and my father. That's my mother. Her name is Liliana Lopez. She is 54 years old. She is a bacteriology and is dedicated to the study of bacteria and their impact on human health. That's my aunt. Her name is Karina Gomez. She is 42 years old. She is a physiotherapist and specialist in training people with conditions or injuries that limit their ability to move or perform physical activities. And that's my father. His name is Celso Garcia. He is 47 years old. He is a civil engineer and is specialist in the design, planning, construction, and maintenance of infrastructure. Thank you.